brother and stuff, it's like, well, but she trusted me. So this ran concurrent. So I'm staying with her, and we start eating, just the regular plant-based lifestyle. We did alkaline. I did straight alkaline with her because of, what was expressed to me. So she had a homeboy, right? Best friend and shit. So he come to the house and shit. Oh man, we got 2 healthy eating motherfuckers in the house. It's like y'all, you say that like it's a bad thing. Like, do you see how much dysfunction we have? Like, that's the one thing we got to get over. You know what I'm saying? If you're gonna live a plant-based lifestyle, just the whole mentality of it. If you equate eating healthy to being bad like that, you'll never succeed at. Like, if you see it as a chore, as a task, or something wrong, it's just like, yo, you waste your time, But my sister did. She saw the benefit of it. She knew what it could be, and she trusted me. So, so she gets, she goes plant-based or whatnot. She's chilling or whatnot. So, she's living it, like literally living it, and I'm, cool. So at this time, I planted my seeds, did what I had to do. I left. I moved to Philly. This is when I moved to Philly or whatnot. So, I frequently call back home. Hey, how's everybody doing? What's going on? So I would call. Well, not frequently, because I know they're gonna see this. But you ain't never call us. You know what I'm saying? Because I was grinding on some other stuff. But when I did call back home, it was like, how's everything going? So me and my sister, we would powwow out, we would talk or whatnot. And then her husband came home from deployment or whatnot. And like when he came home, I talked to him or whatnot. I think I came down for like a vacation or something, maybe Thanksgiving or something. I don't remember what it was. But when I came home, I just remember it was kind of cold. But when I came home, her husband was like, yo, you're gonna have to put me on that too. He was like, yo, I came home, she looking all good and stuff, and just like, she's glowing, her hair's just thickening out, and just like, yo, she lost the weight that she had and all this, she just looks good. And I was like, I got you, bro. I said, I'll put you on. It's a butterfly. It was no biggie. But yeah, he never did it. He never did. I wasn't tripping on him though. You're the in-law. You don't really count, nigga. Like, fuck. But it was my sister that was, the focal point. But she was serious about it. So, had to be about December. But yeah, because when he came home and whatnot. So it's, about December. Because yeah, I don't think I went home that Christmas. Or, no, I did go. I don't remember, man. Times run together. But anyway, so time goes on, and then it's just like, she's plant-based. And my sister's plant-based. You feel me? So I'm like, I see her again. I'm like, yo, you gaining weight. You eat meat again? She was like, no, I ain't eating no damn meat. I'm not going back. I was like, are you lying to me? She was like, no, I'm not lying. And I was like, I ain't believe her. I was like, all right. Seen her again a month later. Like, yo, you eat meat, bro. Like, you ain't gotta lie to kick it. Like, yo, if you eat meat again, so what? You know what I'm saying? She's like, I'm not eating meat. I was like, why are you gaining weight like that then? She's like, I don't know. Still not thinking anything of it. So my youngest nephew, like he's an in tune kid. Like when I say in tune, I mean like he's connected. You know what I mean? So it's like he goes up and he gives my sister a hug one day, and he stepped back. And he go, Auntie, it's a baby in there, and he walk off. He was like 4 at the time. So he's like, it's a baby in there, and she's like, boy, ain't no baby in there. Leave me alone, because she thought that he was being funny because she was gaining weight. You know what I'm saying? He thought, you know how we get sometimes when children say something, it's just like, yo, we take it to heart. So she thought, I think, like, that he was trying to call her fat. He was like, yo, Auntie, it's a baby in there. And just walked off. So everybody's like, whatever. Put it to the side. Again, I'm thinking she eating meat again. Everybody's just like, yo, she gaining weight. So we're not thinking nothing of it. And then they had already told her that she couldn't have babies. So it was like, okay. But then when my nephew said that, I was like, all right. Pay attention. I said, yo, yeah, you might really be pregnant. I was like, yeah, you're gonna be pregnant. You're pregnant. Like, that's why you gaining weight. She was like, you know what? I ain't had a period either. I was like, you pregnant. You're definitely pregnant. So, go to the doctor, sure enough, she's pregnant.